I'm happy we're finally getting this entryway shoe situation under control. With this shoe cabinet, it's so much easier to keep the area looking nice and tidy. So this cabinet was sent over to me to give you a closer look, and I have to say I really like how this one turned out. It does arrive disassembled, so definitely plan on spending some time putting it together. But once it's assembled, I think it's absolutely worth it because it looks so nice, and more importantly, it's incredibly useful. The cabinet has 4 flip-down compartments plus 2 drawers for smaller items. Inside, the shelves are removable, so you can adjust based on your needs. It holds around 16 to 24 pairs of shoes, which is pretty good amount of storage. And one of my favorite things about it is how slim it is. It's only 9.4 inches deep, so it doesn't stick out into the walkway or make a narrow entryway feel even more cramped. I also really like the way it looks. I like the walnut finish and the fluted front, and it doesn't even look like a shoe cabinet from the outside. It actually adds a very nice character to the space, and it's nice that the top gives you another useful surface. You can add a plant, a small lamp, a basket, your keys. There's an anti-tip hardware included, which is something I definitely appreciate for a piece of furniture like this. And also another nice thing is on the bottom, it has raised legs, which gives you some extra clearance underneath, and you can use that space to fit more pairs of shoes. This is probably one of the most practical cabinets I've had. Definitely check it out.